Thank you. So, going tayo. Tapos na lunch break natin. 12:40. Tapos na lunch break. So, kain to move on. Time to move on. Time to go. Tapos na lunch break natin. Ganun talaga. Maikling lunch break. Sa dami ng mga na-coach natin online or the personal coaching. So, one of the most frequent asked question is, paano ba maging successful? Yan. Paano maging successful? So, bakit sinasabi, work hard and everything, spend some time, and yun. But, meron tayong nanineglect na isang ingredient ng isang successful people or ang pinakawalan success. Ano yung isang ingredient na hindi natin mostly ginagawa? And that is maturity. Right? Maturity is ganito. Let me define maturity. Maturity is reacting in appropriate way, okay, at any given situation. Right? Na kahit ano yung situation outside, okay, kung ano man yung stimulus na yan, at kung ano man yung nararamdaman mo, okay, still, kung di man tama ang stimulus outside, at kung wala man sa tama yung nararamdaman mo, kung meron kang pinagdadaanan, and still, you manage to react the right way, and that's maturity. And that maturity, okay, that maturity will bring you to success. Yun yun. Bakit, Dokdi? Anong kinalaman ng maturity sa success? Okay? Uminom muna tayo ng bago nating experiment dito sa Starbucks. Kahapon, hindi tayo na hindi masyado naman na okay lang. Sa panlasa ko konti. Ito naman, pait, may coffee. Okay, anyway. So, ano yung naitutulong ng maturity sa success natin? Alam nyo, when you react appropriately, yung unang-una, yung relationship mo, hindi nawawala. Relationship to other people. Because success is, baka nalilimutan natin, success is about relationship. Success is about relationship towards people, towards your clients, towards your colleagues, towards your boss, towards your family. And that's success. Pag maayos ang relationship mo sa ibang tao sa paligid mo, okay, chances are, ang laki ng chance ng success sa buhay mo. Okay? So, pag mature ka, naging maayos ang relationship mo. And because maayos ang relationship mo, you're getting or you're gearing towards the right decision. Nagkakaroon ka ng tamang decision. At pag tama ang decision mo, nagkakaroon tayo ng success. Di ba minsan pag when we are acting immatured, nawawala tayo sa tamang decision, nagbaback out na lang tayo, hindi na natin tinutuloy yung contract, or pinapakawalan natin yung opportunity, or nag-yes tayo, nag-no tayo, and then before knowing it, after realizing, mali pa na yun, di ba? But when you are mature, ano ka ng tama? Di ba marami nga bigla na lang nagre-resign kasi napagalitan lang? That's immaturity, di ba? The only way that you will resign is pag na-feel mo na your work mo is you're not doing what is the right way, or what makes you happy, and it hinders your success, doon ka lang magre-resign. Alright? That's the only reason. And if you want to venture to other career, or if you want to start your own business, di ba? But as long as ang dahilan mo lang napagalitan ka, that's immaturity. Right? And ano pa reason na bakit pag mature ka nagiging successful ka? Kasi pag matured tayo, naging successful ka, when you are matured, kahit ano yung circumstances outside, and kung ano may nararamdaman mo, you are still trying to do things that you're supposed to do. Nagiging productive ka pa rin. You are still accomplishing things na what are expected from you. Yun yung Yun yung pagiging mature. At pag nagawa mo yan, that's successful, di ba? That's success. You are successful pagka kahit na malungkot ka, pumapasok ka pa rin, di ba? Kahit na anong pinagdadaanan mo, gagawin mo pa rin yung program nyo, yung event nyo. You will still show up. Di ba? That's maturity and that's success. Right? So, sa lahat ng mga gusto maging successful, mga delivers, mga kababayan natin, I think ang dapat nating tingnan ay matured ba tayo? Try to ask yourself. Kanina, kahapon, isang linggo, isang buwan, paano ka nag-react sa boss mo? As matured person ba? O as immature? Diba? Paano ka nakipag-usap sa mga kasamaan mo sa office na may mga problema or ginagawa ka na hindi maganda? Matured ba or immature? Diba? So, how did you react yesterday, kanina, sa buhay mo? Dok, medyo immature ang aking mga aksyon. Pumatol ako, sumigaw ako, I did not do my task because of immaturity. Okay? So, starting today, you act maturely. Okay? So, sabihin mo sa sarili mo, mag-pray ka, Lord, gawin mo ako mature. Dapat gawin ko yung tama. Yung dapat kong gawin para maging successful. Remember, one of the most important ingredients of success is maturity. Okay? So, kung gusto mong magpo-post sa akin on the how to become more matured, so, dami ng pinagdaanan kong buhay, iba't ibang experiences, so, I can coach you to become more matured, okay? Message ka na sa akin, 0939-525-4311 or sa aking FB page, Dr. Gigi, di Sunga. Alright, so thank you very much, Gigi. Enjoy the rest of the day and lunch break. Let's go, let's go!